What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel again. Okay. Hello guys, this video will go about the awesome tool, the TubeBuddy. I got a message on my screen saying I qualified for a pro license, and I had to make a video of at least 2 minutes about how I liked and experienced TubeBuddy. And that's just what I did here. What the heck is TubeBuddy, you'd say? Well, it is a fantastic tool that will help you with your YouTube channel to make it grow, and with every step in that process, TubeBuddy will be a great help. Once you're used to it, you just can't miss it anymore. I use it mostly as an extension of my Chrome browser, as you can see here. First, about the milestones. I like it a lot how they create those certificates about the amount of subscribers or the amount of views that you can easily share on social media to draw even more people to your channel. At the bottom of the milestone screen, there always is an overview of how far you are at the moment and how much further you have to go to reach another new milestone. It is an awesome drive for sure. Just a quick walkthrough of the many tools you have at your convenience, and we will show the videolytics later on in this video. You can find these on the right side of every of your videos on YouTube. At a dashboard, you always can find the real-time views of the last 48 hours, the amount of subscribers and the best performing videos, and a graph with an overview of the evolution in the amount of views in that period. At your YouTube channel, there immediately pops up a graph with the amount of subscribers the last 30 days, the views and the videos of the last 30 days also. When you go to the channel of someone else, in this case the channel of my son, you can see a comparison of those amounts in the two channels. The blue graph being your own and the red one from the other page you are on at that moment. Back to the videolytics. As said before, When you go to any video, you can find the videolytics of that video to the right side of the page. At the best practices, you can see what you have done or what you still can do to improve the chances of that video to perform even better. When you go to the analytics of a video, you get a graph where you can click on and ask the properties of every day on the graph. You can see how loyal the viewers are, and you get the real-time activity also. When you go for the details, here comes the interesting part. You have access to a lot of tools like end screen, thumbnail, and so on. But then there is the hashtag part. This is the most important tool. You get a keyword explorer and you can copy and paste the tags, but very important is the fact that you can sort them in order of importance in the search engine of YouTube. The lower the red digit, the higher it is in the rankings of the importance, and you just have to click on it to add it to your tags. Then sort them and save it to your video. I love this the most. There are so many tools and a lot of help screens in this TubeBuddy. Too many to explain in just one short video, so I think I will do some more in the future if you guys are interested. Just let me know in the subscriptions and I will listen to your proposals. This is again a wrap for this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing and hit the thumbs up and the bell icon to get notified if any new video in the future is coming your way. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you very soon.